Hello, we are going to learn today concept of differentiation. I would try my best to explain it very simply because students can start confused by differentiation. Now, in simple words, for example, we have to differentiate this equation. I would explain it graphically after it will clear your concept. So please watch till end. Now, in simple words, for example, we have to differentiate x raised to power n. Let this y is equal to x raised to power n. So derivative of this mean d by dx of y, that will be equal to nx raised to power n minus 1. This n will power will come in start and we have to subtract 1 from it. Let us say this is first formula for it. Second, for example, y is equal to a is constant, x raised to power n. So what will be dy over dx mean derivative of x, derivative of y with respect to x. A will remain same because it's constants, and it will be similarly like the previous one, nx n minus 1. Now third, if y is equal to x, so what will be derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy over dx, it will be 1. So fourth, if there is a constant, let y is equal to any constant a, so its derivative will be 0. So now we have to differentiate, this equation. So what will be dy over dx? This is just like second form, axn mean 3x square. 2 will come in the start, 3 times 2, and 2 will subtract from the power, 2 minus 1. Now 4 is constant, it will remain same, and derivative of x is 1, so it will be 4 times 1, and derivative of constant is 0. So 3 times 2 is 6, x plus 4. This is the answer of derivative of this equation. Now let us say we have to find its gradient at when x is equal to 1. So we have to plug in x1 here, we have to substitute x1 here, we have to replace x by 1. So it will give us 6 times 1 plus 4, 6 plus 4, so this is 10. Now we may say that this is gradient of this curve, and I have already drawn this curve here like this, rough sketch. Now we will see that when x is 1, is gradient is 10. Okay, let us check. When we draw this curve, we have already done it in previous classes, 4x minus 1. When x is 0, let us say 1 and 2. Okay, what will be y? When x is 0, we substitute x0 in this equation. 0 square is 0 times 3 is 0, plus 4 times 0 is 0, just minus 1 left. When we substitute 1 here, 1 square 1, 1 times 3 3, plus 4 times 1 4, 3 plus 4 7, minus 1 6. When we substitute 2 here, it will give us 2 square 4 3 is a 12, plus 8 20, minus 1 19. So we have points 0 minus 1. I have already drawn it, 0 minus 1 this point, 1 6 this point, and 2 19 is the this point. Now we have to find its gradient at the point 1. So to find gradient, we have to draw a tangent on this line at this point. It will be like this, tangent is like this. Okay, now we have to find its gradient. So we can easily find, we have done it already in previous classes. Draw a triangle on it, just like this. Okay, now what is y2 here. y2 is 15 and y1 is 5. We know that formula of gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this point is 1 and 5. Value of x is 1 and y is 5. This point is 2 and 15. So y2 minus y1 means 15 minus 5, and x2 minus x1 mean 2 minus 1. So this is 10 over 1, 10. Wow, we can see that same gradient dy over dx at 10 was at when x was 1, that was also 10. So it's mean that this dy over dx is giving us gradient. We are finding gradient through it. Basically, gradient is what? If equation of distance is given, if we differentiate it with respect to time, it will give us velocity, speed or velocity. Now we have to understand what is this gradient mean. This is rate of change of anything. For example, this is rate of change of y with respect to x, dy over dx. y2 minus y1, this is also called delta y. Delta y mean change in y. This is called delta x mean change in x. So delta y over delta x is gradient actually, and this is our derivative actually. This is also called slope. This is also called slope. So gradient, we have to just, to simplify it, we have to just learn these formulas, and we have to do a little bit of practice. That was our first lesson, so I have tried my best to simplify it so that you may understand it very easily, that what is differentiation actually. Students have just think that we have to learn it and do it. Try to understand the concept. So we will learn it more inshallah. Thank you so much.